Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a simple yet effective diet plan to lose weight quickly and healthy, you are in the right place. In today's video, I will share a complete meal plan that is high in protein, rich in nutrients, and designed to help you shed extra kilos without feeling hungry or weak. Stay with me till the end because I will also share some essential weight loss tips to make your journey even more effective. And as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Now let's get started. The first thing you should do in the morning is have a detox drink as it boosts metabolism, improves digestion, and helps in fat loss. You have two options here. The first option is turmeric tea, which is very simple to make. Just boil a cup of water, add a pinch of turmeric and some fennel seeds. Let it simmer for a few minutes, strain it, and it's ready to drink. This tea is excellent for reducing bloating, improving digestion, and detoxifying the body. The second option is ginger lemon water, which is equally effective. Boil a piece of ginger in a cup of water, squeeze in half a lemon, and drink it warm. Ginger is great for digestion while lemon helps in fat metabolism. Both these drinks are powerful ways to kickstart your metabolism in the morning, so you can pick whichever suits you best. Moving on to breakfast, which should be high in protein, keep you full for longer, and prevent cravings. The first option is soya chunk sandwich, a delicious and protein-packed meal that supports weight loss. The full recipe is available on my channel and I'll share the link in the description so you can try it out. If you want a different option, you can go for high-protein moonglat, which is also an excellent choice for breakfast. It is light yet filling and provides the energy you need to start your day. Both these breakfast options are easy to make and loaded with proteins, so choose whichever you like. By mid-morning, around 11 to 11:30 am, it's time for a small snack to maintain energy levels and prevent overeating later in the day. You can have 100 grams of any essential fruit such as apple, papaya, or pear. Fruits provide essential vitamins, fiber, and hydration, making them a great snack option. If you prefer a protein-rich alternative, you can go for makhana smoothie, which is a healthy, satisfying drink that keeps you full and supports weight loss. The recipe is available on my channel, so be sure to check that out. Now let's move on to lunch, which is one of the most important meals of the day. A well-balanced lunch ensures sustained energy levels and prevents unnecessary snacking. The first option you can try is oats moong dal khichdi, which is simple yet highly nutritious meal. To make it, heat a tablespoon of ghee in a pressure cooker. Add cumin seeds, a bay leaf, and some chopped green chilies. Then add vegetables of your choice, along with a half cup of oats and a quarter cup of soaked moong dal. Add water accordingly and let it cook for 2 to 3 whistles. This meal is packed with fiber and protein, keeping you full for longer while aiding digestion and weight loss. Oats are great for managing blood sugar levels, while moong dal provides essential proteins. If you want another option, you can go for vegetable cutlet, which is a great way to include a variety of veggies in your diet. I have already shared 7 different high-protein cutlet recipes on my channel, and I will provide the link in the description. You can have any of these cutlets, but remember to limit the portion of 4 cutlets at a time, along with 100 grams of fresh salad. This will ensure a balanced intake of fiber, vitamins, and protein. By evening, it's common to feel a bit hungry, but instead of reaching for unhealthy snacks, go for something light yet nutritious. You can have roasted chana or makhana, both of which are high in protein and fiber, making them ideal for weight loss. To enhance fat burning, you can pair these with a cup of green tea, which boosts metabolism and aids digestion. A well-planned evening snack helps prevent late-night cravings and keeps your diet on track. As we move towards dinner, it is important to keep this meal light yet fulfilling. The first option is veg dalia, a fiber-rich meal that keeps your digestion smooth and helps in weight loss. Pair it with 100 grams of fresh salad for added fiber and vitamins. Another great option is stir-fry vegetables with grilled paneer, which is a delicious and low-carb meal that keeps you satisfied while providing essential nutrients. The recipe is already available on my channel, so you can check it out in the description. Choosing the right dinner plays a huge role in weight loss, as eating light at night helps with better digestion and fat burning. Finally, before bed, it's important to have something that aids digestion and prevents bloating. You have two options. You can either drink a glass of skimmed milk, which provides protein and support muscle recovery, or you can go for fennel seeds water, which is excellent for digestion and reduces bloating. A bedtime drink helps keep your metabolism active even while you sleep, making it an essential part of your weight loss plan. Now that we have gone through the complete meal plan, let me share some important weight loss tips to help you see faster results. The first and most important tip is to stay hydrated. Drinking at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily helps flush out toxins and keeps your metabolism active. The second tip is to include some form of physical activity in your daily routine. Whether it's a 30-minute walk, yoga, or home workout, staying active is crucial for burning calories and toning your body. Another important factor is consistency. Weight loss takes time and you need to follow a structured plan consistently to see results. Avoid processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy snacks as they slow down metabolism and cause weight gain. Lastly, practice portion control. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if consumed in large quantities, so always eat mindfully. So that's your complete quick weight loss meal plan. If you follow this diet along with regular exercise, you will start noticing changes in no time. Remember, small efforts every day lead to big results. So stay committed and trust the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more weight loss tips and healthy recipes. Also check out the description for all the recipe links. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.